Good morning. My name is Prakash Singh Rajawat. I teach mathematics to class 6 to 8. Talking about myself, I passed BTech in 2021. I have teaching experience in the school and other home tuitions also. I teach subject mathematics class 6 to 8. I have cracked SSC, CGL, CPO pre-exams and post-class assistant and many more. Now talking about the 50 class plan or 100 hours lecture plan. I will start with the number system. In number system, we will study about all types of number, that is prime numbers, composite number, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, odd, even numbers, etc. This is the sequence, but of the classes, we can also change the sequence. So these are the topics which we have to prepare. Then fraction, where is p by q form is a fraction, where q is not equals to 0. All about fraction we will teach, how we will calculate the fraction of a shaded figure. All these things in the fraction. Mensuration means calculating area and perimeter, volume of 2D and 3D figures. So in mensuration we will do that. Geometry means how to construct a figure, how to construct triangles, circles and many more. All these things are in the geometry. Data handling, in this we will study about how to handle the data using tabular form, using tabular form, etc. All these we will do in data handling. Lines and angles, talking about different types of lines, different types of angles, acute angle, right angle, how these angles are formed, angle sum property, what are the right angle property, all these we will study in lines and angles. Symmetry, symmetry means if we cut the figure in a line, both the cuttings should be shaped, means mirror image, like the mirror image. So in the symmetry we will read about it. In symmetry we will also read about patterns, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. All these things, many more patterns, image patterns also. Linear equation with one variable, ax square plus bx plus c. In this we will know the value of x, how to calculate. Next is introduction to graphs. In graphs we will see how to use the data and form in a pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, histogram. All these things are in the graph. Next is percentage. Percentage means per 100. So how to convert fractions and decimal into percentage, how to calculate percentage, how to convert percentage into decimals. All these things will be in the percentage. Simplifications. In simplification we will study how to quick the maths, or how fast to get the solution of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, how to use BODMAS rule, how to use Vedic maths in this. All these things, square roots, cube roots, all these are in the simplification. Now for our demo teaching, I have picked the two-dimensional four figures and I will explain all the area perimeter about these figures. First we will take the square. Square having the side S. A square is a closed four side figure having all the sides equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So perimeter is plus S plus S plus S plus S. 4S. Perimeter is 4S. Area is side multiply side. Side square. S is the side. Here diagonal. In diagonal this is 90-degree angle. All angles are equal, 90, 90, 90. So this diagonal will be calculated according to the hypotenuse theorem, Pythagoras theorem. S square plus S square, that is 2S square. The dimension is equal to root 2s. Next figure is rectangle. Rectangle is also a four-shaped figure, but the opposite pair of sides are equal. Length equal to this length, breadth equal to this length. The perimeter is L plus L, B plus B. Taking 2L plus 2B, taking 2 common, bracket L plus B. Another is A, length into breadth, length into breadth. L is length, B is breadth. The next figure is circle, having the radius R. So in circle we will calculate the circumference, that is the perimeter, outer perimeter. C for circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Area is equals to pi r square, where r is the radius. The value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. We will calculate. In D, I have taught a method of area. Area of a triangle would be get according to three methods, but it is the basic method 1 upon 2 base into height, where we would given the base of a triangle and height of a triangle. We will use the formula area is equals to 1 upon 2 base into height and calculate. Perimeter is sum of all three sides, three-sided figure A plus B plus C. Here one thing more, S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. S is the semi-perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter ka half, semi-perimeter. This is the formula. Another formula for calculating area of a triangle is under root S minus A plus S minus B S minus C, which is getting about the sides also. So this is the topic and this is my demo video for the educator program.